If you are looking for a lavender and frankincense blend for sleep, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing several diffuser blends and other blends or recipes for lavender and frankincense to help with sleep. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Now let's jump into the video. So our first diffuser blend with lavender and frankincense is a blend called Chill Sleep. For this diffuser blend, you're going to want to use 7 drops of lavender, 4 drops of bergamot, 4 drops of cedarwood, and 1 drop of frankincense essential oil in your diffuser. Our second diffuser blend is a blend called Sleepy Mint. For this one, you're going to be putting 3 drops of lavender, 3 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of orange, and 1 drop of spearmint in your diffuser. I have some more great recipes to share with you, but it's very important to point out that the quality of the essential oil that you're using is very important. We want to make sure that we are using only the purest, best quality essential oil that we have available to us. I've done a lot of research on the purity of oils, and I really encourage you to research it as well. And if you'd like to check out the oils that I personally use, or if you'd like to check out my masterclass where I cover the purity of oils as well as the top 10 recommended oils, then check out the link in the description below. Okay, our third diffuser blend with lavender and frankincense is called Sweet Dreams. You're going to be putting 3 drops of lavender, 3 drops of frankincense, and 3 drops of tangerine essential oils in your diffuser. Now our next blend with lavender and frankincense for sleep is actually not a diffuser blend. It's actually a relaxing and stress relieving bath salt blend. For this we'll need Epsom salt, frankincense, and lavender. We're going to take about 1/2 to 1 cup of the Epsom salt and 4 drops each of the lavender and frankincense and mix those 3 ingredients together. Then we're going to add this salt mixture to our hot bath, making sure that it fully dissolves into the water. Our 5th and final recipe for lavender and frankincense is called Sleepy Time Massage Rub. The ingredients we'll need for this are 1/4 of a cup of cocoa butter, 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil, 20 drops of lavender, 6 drops of Siberian fir, 6 drops of cedarwood, and 10 drops of frankincense. Now what we're going to do is we're going to warm the coconut oil and the cocoa butter in a small pan until it's melted. You'll then let it rest on the counter for about 10 minutes. Once it's cooled, you'll add the essential oils to the mixture and then cool it in the fridge for an hour. The texture you want is firm but not hard. Then you're going to whip it on high with an electric mixer until it's softened and forms peaks. You'll then apply a small pea-sized amount and massage it into your feet before bed. And then of course, you'll save the rest of it for additional applications. You're just going to want to store it in a cool place. Now I've linked up all of these oils below this video, so if you'd like to check them out some more, feel free to do so. And if you would like the free ebook of some other incredible recipes for sleep, like bath recipes and stop snoring blend and more, then check out the link in the description below. And if you're someone that likes to show off your love for essential oils, then check out the link below to my Etsy shop where I have an ever-growing selection of oily t-shirts and hoodies and other items that you can get for yourself or as a gift for your oily friends. Now click or tap the screen here to check out my video where I share some great diffuser blends for congestion, or click or tap the screen here to check out another of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.